Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. This is a video that I wish I did not have to actually make. It is a very odd one. It caught me completely off guard, but here it is. So let's take a look over here. About 4 months ago, I posted this video. You might be thinking, wow. Hold on, let's play the ad. It all done. I bought a nectar. So I posted this video unboxing Lucid 12-inch full hybrid mattress, bamboo charcoal, aloe vera, infused memory foam, blah, blah, blah. And I was pretty happy with this mattress, like whether it was during shooting the video or, afterwards, I've been sleeping on it for the last 4 months. It's been great, it's been good on my back. I was happy with it, especially for $470. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. And there was actually a comment that somebody left. Somebody left a comment saying, let's see, hi, I'm debating on getting this mattress, and I was wondering if you notice any weird smells on the mattress. All the reviews I've read say something about a sulfuric smell, and I was curious if you had that experience. So here's my response to her.
Hey, so I've been sleeping on this mattress for about 7 days now, and from the moment I opened it, there was zero odor. Not from the packaging, not from inside of the various wraps, and especially not from the mattress.
Even give myself a thumbs up because the I was so proud of my comment. So anyways, fast forward 4 months, and in this last like maybe 3 days or something like that, I've been kind of like noticing like inside the room. I've been noticing this smell. Like it wasn't like super strong. It almost like it almost smelled like someone farted in the room and just like immediately left. So it wasn't like anything that was like directly in your face, but it was like lingering in the air. So I'm like, okay, like it's gonna go away. I don't know. I didn't pay attention to it. Um, and what happened was I'm trying to just think through chronologically. Oh yeah, I started suspecting my pillows because like what would happen was I usually like to lay on my stomach on the bed and then kind of like hug the pillow to my chest and just go on my phone or use the laptop, whatever the case is. So I kept on thinking that it has to be my pillows that have this smell, because my face is, kind of like down like this. And the first thing that's to my face is my pillows. So I'm like, okay, it has to be my pillows. So that day I kind of ignored it. The second day, which was today, I pretty much made the decision to throw away my pillows. I kept these two, and I was gonna throw these two away too, because I thought maybe these have a smell too. I kind of smelled it, and I'm like they kind of had a smell to it. So I'm like I'm gonna throw these away too. So I ordered the pillows from Amazon. I'm waiting for them to come, but I threw my other pillow out already. Okay. But these two pillows, like, they didn't have like a strong smell. So like I wasn't really sure if these pillows were the cause of it, but they were the main suspects. Anyways, a little bit of time passed, and um, you know, today I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do laundry. So what I'll do is I'll dry clean, not dry clean. I'll throw the pillow sheets in the washer, and I'll clean them up, and then I'll also clean the sheets. So I start taking the sheets off of the pillows, and I throw them in the hamper. And as soon as I took off the sheet off the bed,
Oh my god. Literally smelled like crap. It literally smelled like crap smell coming out of my mattress.
so I started looking it up, like Lucid mattress, smell, and lo and behold, of course, there's people talking about it, how the Lucid mattress essentially smells like shit. Um, and the smelling of the shit, I guess, could happen. The smelling of the shit, I guess, could happen within I don't know, within 1 month, 2 months, a week. But point being, my shit smell started happening within 4 months. So I'm out of the official, return period with Amazon. And from my knowledge, the manufacturer does not take responsibility for the smell. So I didn't even bother contacting them. They're actually going to be my last resort. So I contacted Amazon. It is 1 o'clock in the morning where I am. So when I contacted Amazon, the department that's responsible for making the decision to return this, they're not available. So I'm going to call them tomorrow morning, and see if they'll give me a refund. They should, I think. And if they're not gonna give me a refund, then I'm gonna call the manufacturer as a last resort. I think they're gonna just say, "Go screw yourself." But I'll give you guys an update. Alrighty, guys. So a couple of really important updates here. Whew. Sorry, I'm running out of breath, but let's see here. So pretty much, Amazon came and saved the day. Amazon gave me a refund for the mattress, even though I was way past my 30-day return policy with them. I did contact the manufacturer too afterwards, just for you guys' sake, for the video, for to see what the manufacturer would say. I spoke with the agent, and he told me that the Lucid warranty will cover the smell. It's not a problem. Like if that issue does happen, we'll take care of it. A lot of sweet talking, stuff like that. And then I'm gonna personally side with the reviews on Amazon. People on Amazon are saying that Lucid does not take responsibility for it. So who knows? But yeah. So as of now, I my brand new pillows did arrive. They're ridiculously big. I wasn't expecting them to be so puffy. But yeah, those are my new pillows. And then this is still the original mattress that I was sleeping on. I'm actually waiting for the new mattress to come. It's gonna take, I think, like 2 to 3 weeks. So meanwhile, what I did was this. So I still have the regular sheets on, but then under the blue sheets, what excuse me, what I have is, it's like $40, $50. I think it was like 36 or $40 actually. It was one of those. These allergy sheets that I got. Essentially, it goes around the entire mattress. It even covers the bottom, and then you zip it. And it's supposed to like be for to kill bed bugs, or if you have allergies, whatever. So I just kind of like assumed, I'm like, okay, if this cheap Amazon cover is able to keep the smell in the mattress to a certain extent, because remember, the way I realized that my mattress smells like crap was when I removed the cover to wash it, and like the smell came out. I'm like, holy crap. So I figured, I'm like, okay, what if I go buy a really expensive sheet like those allergy sheets, and maybe I can keep the entire smell within the mattress. And that ended up being true. I can no longer smell the smell. It's being contained within the mattress. Absolutely do not buy this mattress. I won't even recommend purchasing Lucid from the company. It's not worth it. They left a really bad taste in my mouth. Even if I were to call them, and they do give me a replacement, how about all those people that didn't get a replacement? What, they're leaving fake reviews? You know what I'm saying? Like, there's just so many reviews on there saying that Lucid was not giving them a replacement. So if I'm one of those lucky people who did get a replacement, that's just because I got lucky. It's not because they're actually providing good service. Especially if the product is defective. So Lucid as a company has just completely, you know, um, plummeted off of my list of trusted companies, I guess. And yeah, I hope this video helps you guys out. It is an absolute nightmare to deal with this. So for any one of you guys, going through this, I feel really bad for you. But hope you guys have a good day and be safe.